Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix buzzing sound in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very simple problem and I give the simple solution to fix this simple problem. So let's go. First go to the start, type control panel, click on the control panel. In control panel, find sound, click on the sound, minimize it. Here is our sound. Go to the recording and select your recording device. This recording is my default recording device. Click on that. Click on your recording device. Right click on it. Click on the properties. In properties, go to the listen. And here we find listen to this device. If it's something like this, check. Then uncheck it. It is an IMP. Uncheck it. Click on apply. Click on OK. Restart your machine. After that, your problem is solved. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix this simplest problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.